In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to maximize efficiency with Outlook using the power of Copilot enabled features. If you're ready to streamline your email management and communication tasks, then buckle up as we dive into how you can utilize Copilot to its full potential. To start, let's open Outlook with Copilot enabled. Copilot is a fantastic addition to Outlook, offering enhanced capabilities powered by AI. Launch Outlook just like you normally would. If you haven't activated Copilot yet, there should be options in the settings or an update prompt to guide you through enabling this feature. Once Copilot is up and running, you'll notice some new functionalities that will help you manage your emails more effectively. With Copilot activated, let's explore how it can assist in organizing and prioritizing your emails. We all know how overwhelming a crowded inbox can be. With simple verbal commands or text prompts to Copilot, you can ask it to sort through your new messages. It can prioritize them based on importance, sender, or even specific keywords that matter to you. Imagine receiving an influx of emails and effortlessly having them sorted so that you focus on what truly needs your attention first. Next, let's take a look at drafting emails with Copilot. This AI tool can assist in crafting articulate email drafts, whether you're starting a new conversation or responding to an existing thread. Perhaps you need to reply to multiple emails quickly while maintaining a personalized touch. Copilot can help here too. Simply instruct Copilot to draft a response based on the context given in your emails. The AI meticulously generates drafts that are not only coherent, but also customizable according to your unique style and needs. Once Copilot has created draft emails for you, it's time to review these AI-generated compositions. Carefully go through each draft to ensure that they meet your expectations and match the tone you wish to convey. While Copilot is quite intuitive, your review adds that extra layer of personalization. Make any necessary edits or tweaks to refine the drafts before proceeding. After finalizing the drafts, it's time to send or schedule your emails. Outlook with Copilot was made for convenience and control, allowing you to send emails immediately or set them to be sent at a specified time. Use the scheduling feature to plan your communications efficiently, ensuring you reach your recipients at the most optimal times. By the end of this process, you will have taken full advantage of Outlook's AI-powered features. You will notice not only a significant reduction in the time spent on managing your emails, but also an improvement in the quality of your communications. Remember,